Racing just is started. We have tailwind break. Weekly to start. Grand Dynasty moving up down on the inside. Ibarra, Dane Hill Choi, then followed over by Spin Cycle. Perfect Choice. Then next on line now is Kalo Okan's Pride, while Royal Biba is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have tailwind followed closely by Grand Dynasty in second. 2 lengths further back in third comes Spin Cycle. Ibarra is down on the inside fourth. Dane Hill Choi comes next. Kalo Okan's Pride, Perfect Choice, while Royal Biba is still racing in less. Back to the leader, we have Grand Dynasty by about 3/4 of a length lead. Then here comes Ibarra, now moving up on the outside. Spin Cycle is racing into the, then comes Tailwind, Dane Hill Choi. Next on Lena is Kalo Okan's Pride, Royal Biba, while Perfect Choice now racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Ibarra this time by about 6 lengths. And in second, now moving up is Royal Viva in the middle portion. Now is Kalo Okan's Pride as they swing for home. We have Ibarra now racing away by about 10 lengths. Kalo Okan's Pride, Royal Viva is on the outside. Last 100 meters, it's all Ibarra followed by Royal Viva. And finally, it's Ibarra. The second is Royal Biba, Kalo Okan's Pride, Dane Hill Choi, and Perfect Choice.
Sama mo na, Spin Cycle, pang-anim. 1, 2, 7, 4,